Today, my topic is networking devices. I am Chivira Reddy, lecturer in computer science, Government Degree College, Sattapalli. My topic is networking devices. First, what is the networking devices? Networking devices are components used to connect computers or other electronic devices together so that they can share files or resource like printers or fax machines. Here, networking devices are number of networking devices is available in connect the computers. The electronic devices together they can be share files and share the data and they take the printouts or fax machines and Xerox machines are like that. Different networking devices are hub, switch, gateway, bridge, router, repeater. These are the networking devices. Here, first one is the hub. Hub is the common connection point for devices in a network. Hubs are commonly used to connect segments of a LAN. A hub contains multiple ports. Multiple ports is nothing but multiple ports is number of ports in one hub. In when a packet arrives at the one port, it is copied to the other ports so that all segments of the LAN can be see all packets. Here we see here hub is a common connection point for devices in a network. Hubs are commonly used to connect segments of a LAN. A hub contains multiple parts. When a packet arrives at one part, a packet is nothing but a data packet. It is copied to the other parts. The hub is number of ports is available in this hub. How many ports is available? For suppose double port, triple port, 16 port, 8 port, 32 port, 64, what available number of types available, number of ports available in different hubs. So, when a data packet arrives at the one port, it is copied to the other port so that all segments of the LAN can be see all packets. Here this is a hub connected to the systems, number of systems. Okay, here a network switch also called switching hub. Bridging hub, officially MAC bridge, is a computer networking device that connects devices together on a computer network by using packet switching or receive process and forward data to the destination devices. Here this is a switch hub connected to the number of systems. The data is sharing to one system through other system by using of hub. This is also called as the switching also. So this is hub. What is a switch? A switch is a network also called a switching hub, bridging hub, officially MAC bridge. It is a computer networking device that connects the device together on a networking, computer networking by using packet switching. This is process. This is a network switching. These are all the pieces. This is the server. This is a network switch. This is a modem for ADSL. This is a printer. Here, any system, any PC connected to the server and any PC connected to the network, internet, any PC connected to the printer through network switch. Gateway. A network gateway is an internet working system capable of joining together two networks that use different base protocols. A network gateway can be implemented completely in software, completely in hardware, or a combination of both, depending on the type of protocols they support. Networking gateways can operate at any level of the OSI model. Here we have a workstation with web server. Here we have a gateway. That gateway has a internet facility. Here the gateway has the internet working system capability of joining together two networks by use different base protocols. What is a protocol here? If a server, if a user asks a request a query, the server accepts that query and the server replies to the particular PC. The data packets can be moved in form of protocols. For example of protocols are IP Internet Protocol, TCP IP Transaction Control Protocol, HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. These are the protocols. A network gateway can be implemented completely in software, completely in hardware, or as a combination of both. The gateway can implemented software and hardware, both of them depending on types of protocols. They support networking gateways, can operate at any level. That is gateway. Bridge. A network bridge is a computer networking device that creates a single aggregate network from multiple communication networks or network segments. This function is called network bridging. Here, a bridge is a computer networking devices that creates a single aggregate network from multiple communication systems or multiple network or networkings. Here we have a packet from A to D, packet from A to G, two bridges. First one is A to D, second one is first one A to D and FG. The bridge is packet from A to D, packet from A to G. This is used to bridge. Router. Router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. Router perform the traffic direction functions on the internet. A data packet is typically forwarded from one router to another router through one network. Through the network, the constitute the networking until it reaches the destination mode. Internet, cable, DSL by modem, router, laptop, NAS, computer. Here, this is a router. Through internet, cable or DSL modem, the router is sharing the data through any phone or laptop or computer, NAS, like that. This is used to router. Is also a networking device from forwards packet between computer networks. Router from the traffic directing functions on the internet. A data packet is typically forwarded from one router to another router. Repeater. A network device used to regenerate or replicate a signal. Repeaters are used in transmission system to regenerate analog or digital signals. Digital signals distorted by transmission loss. Here, repeater, there is a thin net printer or clients. There are also thin net connected with the repeater. Once again, we say the The networking devices are different networking devices available here. First one is the hub, second one is the switch, third one is the gateway, next one is bridge, router and repeater. Here any networking devices, the works are different. The networking devices works are different. For suppose the hub is used to connect the one system to another system with local area network, that is LAN, used to connect segments. The data packets arrived to one hub, one port. The same data packet copied to the other ports to all the segments. It is connected to the LAN. This is the hub connected to the remaining devices. The second one is the switch. A network switch also called switching hub, bridge hub, officially MAC bridge, is a computer networking device that connecting device together the computer network by using packet switching. Receiving process. It is a networking switch. It is a network switch, printer, server and PCs. Through modem, the internet is connected to the network switch and the whole PCs and server connected to the network switch and printer also. Gateway. A network gateway is a internetworking system capability of joining together two networks. Here that use different base protocols. A network gateway can be implemented completely in software and hardware or combination of the both software and hardware. Here this is the gateway connected to the internet. It is works total software and hardware components based on the protocols. Here next one is bridge. A networking bridge is a computer networking device that creates a signal aggregate network from multiple communications network or a network segment. This function is called network bridging. This is the network bridging. Image A, the data packet from A to D. Here image B, the data packet is A to G. Router is a networking device. It forwards data packet between computer networks and router performs the traffic direction function on the internet. A data packet typically forwarded from one router to another router through the networks. The network until it reaches its destination node. Internet and cable, DSL modem, router. Through router, the internet connected to the laptop, NAS, computer, switch box, like any internet needed devices. Repeater. A network device is used to regenerate or replicate a signal. Repeaters are used to transmission system to regenerate analog or digital signals restricted by transmission loss. This is the repeater. These are the clients connected to the thin net or thin client. Thank you for watching.